inside the shell when shaken. As the egg matures, the air cell becomes bigger. The egg white becomes more watery. The egg yolk can actually move freely when it is shaken. That is the reason why rotten eggs can slosh when it is shaken. When cracked onto a plate, a fresh egg has a high domed yolk. If the yolk is flat and the albumin is runny, the egg has been around for a while. If you still want to cook the egg, you need to cook it well. When an egg is put into a glass of water, a super fresh egg should sink sideways to the bottom. As the egg gets older, the rounded end of the egg will float upwards. At 2 weeks old, the egg will start to float. The best before date for fresh hen eggs is 28 days after laying. Generally, the eggs are packed and transported around day 3 to 6. After 9 days, fresh eggs must be stored in a cool, dark and dry place. Once it reaches 18 days, eggs must be kept in a refrigerator. From day 22, the eggs must be quickly used and should be thoroughly cooked. At this point, they are still good for hard boiling but no longer be offered for sale. The air cell of the egg expands as the egg matures. There will be more hydrogen sulfide gas will be produced, and this makes the egg's density to decrease and it starts to float. The sulfur content of the white is slightly higher than the yolk. The white with prolonged heating at high temperatures produces high amount of hydrogen sulfide. The amount of hydrogen sulfide produced depends on the time of heating, temperature and the reaction of the egg. The yolk and the white gets more alkaline with time. This is because egg contains carbon dioxide, which takes the form of carbonic acid when it is dissolved in the white and the yolk, but slowly lost in its gaseous form through the pores in the shell. The increase in pH makes the sulfur to split readily and react with the hydrogen to form hydrogen sulfide. Cooking also produces hydrogen sulfide gas as it denatures the sulfur from the protein and the sulfur reacts with the hydrogen. So now you know how to differentiate a rotten egg with a normal egg. But if you want to explore a little bit, you can just carry out the floating experiment. If you find this video useful for you and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.